Today's math tax question is which equation could be used to generate this table of values? Here's our table of values. We have x is -1, y is 2. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 2. And finally, when x is 2, y is 5. Here are our answer choices. A is y equals -2x. B is y equals 2x plus 1. C is y equals x plus 1. And D is y equals x squared plus 1. We'll give you about a minute and a half to work this out on your own. Okay, there's two different methods that I would use to solve this problem. Both of them would be the plug and chug method. And since we are allowed to use calculators on the tax test, I'll go ahead and enter in all of my answer choices into the calculator and see which one produces the table here to the right. So on the calculator, I'd start by hitting y equals, and I would type in answer choice A, which is -2x. So I would type in -2x. And since I want a table to appear on the calculator and I want to see if it matches up with this, I would hit second graph, which stands for table. And as you can see, I've got -1, 2, and that works. But then I look at my next row in the table and it says 0, 1, and I've got 0, 0. So I know automatically, just by using the calculator, that A is wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and choose answer choice B. And I'm going to work through this. I'm going to hit y equals and type in 2x plus 1. And then second graph, which will give me the table. And then by looking at the first one, I've got -1, -1. It doesn't match up, so answer choice B is wrong as well. So I'm going to type in C, which is x plus 1. Second graph again, so I get a table. That also does not match up, so I'm going to try the last one to make sure that that is correct, which is x squared plus 1. And as you can see here, the tables actually match up, so I've got -1, 2, it works. 0, 1, that works. 1, 2, that's there, and then 2, 5, it works. So using the calculator, by using the y equals screen, I've eliminated these answers, and answer choice B is correct. If I do plug and chug and I don't have a calculator, I'm not going to go through A, B, and C, but I'm going to go ahead and plug in these values to pretend I didn't have a calculator. So in other words, I would have y equals x squared plus 1. I would go ahead and I like to start with the number 0 for x because it's easy to work with. But I would do 0 squared plus 1 and I would get an answer of 1. And then I would work the 1 into the x, and 1 squared gives me 1. 1 plus 1 gives me an answer of 2, so it checks. And then I'd put 2 in, and 2 squared is 4. And 4 plus 1 gives me a 5. So once again, just working it out by hand, I can also see that the plug and chug method works, and answer choice D is the only answer that works here. Thank you.